From Chris TV, this is 6 News at 6.
We begin with breaking news about Guy Williams. His suspension from the 148th District Court has been lifted.
And the news comes just a day after another judge dismissed a pending road rage charge against Williams from his trial earlier this year. Our Jane Caffrey has been following this case, and she joins us now with more on this latest development. Jane.
Lee, the executive director of the State Commission on Judicial Conduct, told me just minutes ago that the commission voted late today to lift that suspension. This means Judge Guy Williams can return to his 148th District Court bench any day now. As we reported, he had been suspended after being indicted for those felony charges last November. When Judge Guy Williams was accused of waving a gun at another car while driving, he faced 2 counts of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, one for the driver and one for the passenger. During trial, jurors found he acted in self-defense regarding the driver, but when it came to the passenger, the jury was hung. That set the legal precedent for Williams' case to be dismissed.
It was one action. If the jury had thought it was self-defense on the first count, it has to be self-defense on the second.
His defense team filed a motion arguing that legally, Williams could not be tried again.
If you're tried for a case and you're found not guilty, you can't be retried. Right? Double jeopardy. And count 2 is the exact same charge as count 1. It's a double jeopardy.
Prosecutors from the Attorney General's office agreed and asked the charge to be dropped in this motion to dismiss. A judge approved it, ending Williams' felony case. Williams' legal troubles aren't completely over. He still faces misdemeanor charges for public intoxication and resisting arrest. Those stem from a separate incident on Padre Island in May. Nonetheless, Williams is no longer under suspension and can return to his bench. According to the executive director of the State Commission on Judicial Conduct, a judge may be suspended immediately for felony charges, but the commission does not have the authority to suspend Williams based on his misdemeanor charges. Judge Williams is not on the November ballot. He did not file for re-election. If he does decide to return to his bench, he would only serve out the remainder of his term, which ends in January. Priscilla.